How deep is your pug? Oh, oh, how deep is your pug? Oh my god! This bitch just sneezed on me, straight up! In my eyes and everything. Holy shit, am I gonna turn into a zombie now? What the fuck? Lima! Don't do that to me. Poke. Of course you would do it again. Of course you would do it again. What the flying fuck? I feel like this dog is very big. It's not the only thing that's big. Oh, giggity giggity goo. Lima, stop. Talk to the hand. Talk to the hand. Mm-hmm. Don't give me that look, Lima. Look at her face. How deep is your pug?